Oh, I will tell you about one miracle that recently happened. Happened 3 months back, but we received the message last Sunday only. That is of a Hindu woman. She had a growth on her left point finger. Then it was growing, and just like a finger, it was on the side of the finger. Then the doctor suggested surgery, but she was very afraid to go for that. And accidentally, one day when she opened the TV, that day it was the declaration of our mother as the venerable. Then she saw Mother Eliswa declared venerable, and some way or the other she was so much attracted to that, and she showed her fingers on the TV and said, "Mother, please cure me. I will not go to the doctor. You have to cure me." And that day onwards, she was praying without going to the doctor, without taking any medicine. And her friends, Hindu friends, were making fun of her, saying, "We don't think it will happen. So better you go to the doctor." And she said no. And what happened is, after 1 month, this finger-like thing started becoming shorter and shorter, and she came here, she showed us her finger, and nothing is there. That finger has become straight, and she had great pain over that, and now she is relieved of that, and she was very happy to come here, and she did not know the way. Some way or the other, she managed asking to people. She's from Alapi, the end of Alapi, and she came here.